That's in good shape. There are a couple of scratches here on the outside of the case. On the front, you've got speakers. The lid locks down. You can turn the Wi-Fi on and off. We've got headphone, mic jack, another speaker port. Moving on to the right side, you have the DVD drive combo CDRW. If we move around the back, we've got a place to lock, a USB cable, the power connection, the RJ45 for an Ethernet. Around the other side, you've got the VGA, heat sink there, another USB port, a modem connection, and the PMI slot. Underneath, it's all in good shape here. There's the certificate of authenticity for the old operating system for Windows XP, if you wanted to go back to that. All the keys work well. There's nothing broken. So let me zoom in on that. Okay, so it's Windows 7 Home Premium, and it's a Celeron processor, 1.6 gigahertz. We've got 2 gigs of RAM. It's the 32-bit Windows 7. And down here, Windows activation. You can see it's Windows is active. I'm not going to scroll down further because that's the product node there. So that's the operating system. Okay, so you can see it's got the Norton's Internet Security on there, and it is running. This is the trial version. It's fully functioning, and I've updated with all the latest updates for that, and it's got 29 days left, so you could easily just put in your code to continue that and continue your protection. I highly recommend that. Also, I have put the Office 2007 on here, and that is a trial version as well, so if you want to keep that, you can put in the product code for that, and you can get that online at several different places. I've had it between $60 and $70 for a 3-user license. So if you plan to do that, that's a good idea. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect to your wireless network with Windows 7. Down in the lower right corner is your system tray. It will show you the Action Center and the Power Center, so it's at 99% charged. And right next to that is your wireless connection. It says not connected, connections are available. So you click on that, and it shows you that there are several networks in my neighborhood, and this one is mine, so we're going to go ahead and click on that, and now we can say connect to that automatically if we want. We're going to say connect. Now it's asking me to put in the security key. I'm going to hide the characters from you, and then hit enter, and let's see what's going on. It was pretty fast. It says we're connected, we have internet access. Great. So now that we have internet access, I'm going to show you how you can change the background, the themes that you can get updates from Microsoft. So I right click on the desktop, choose personalize. That's going to take us up to this screen. Here are different themes with they have several different background pictures. There's Gears of War that was on there, and you can have that change at the time interval that you specify. And right here it says get more themes, so we'll connect to, so we'll just click on that and we'll say open, and let's see, it's got 11.2 megabytes. Okay, and then it asks you if you want to install it. I say yes, do, and there it is. It should be done. So here is the new background, and it's going to change every 15 minutes right now. And you can change that to an hour, a day, 5 minutes. You can make it as a slideshow all the time, but it's that easy. It's a good computer. I think you'll like it. Have fun. Good luck on your bids. Once you've made a connection to a network, you can disconnect from it, and then so it shows we're not connected, but there are connections available. Since we've already entered the passcode for that one, we can just say connect, and that's it. We're connected. So if you have several networks, you can just choose between them that way. Now I'm going to remove this network connection. I'm going to remove my network connection from this computer. You just come over here to Manage Wireless Networks and then select the network, and I'm going to remove it. You can also add, and I'm going to, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So my network is no longer associated with this computer, and you can add yours the way I just showed you. Okay, so on the power cord, the casing had split, but the wires never came undone, and then I wrapped that with electrical tape, and it works just fine. Going to unplug the connector, and you can see that it does run off the battery. There are a bunch of themes that you can put, so if we go to personalize this desktop, and let's say we want to put on a if we want to download more themes, so it's almost done. There we go, 18 megabytes. I'm going to allow it. And now we've got a new theme with several different backgrounds, and it will change every, right now I think I've got it set for 15 minutes. You can change every 30 minutes or every hour, or whatever you want to set it at. But there's a lot of really neat things. I think you'll enjoy it. It's a good computer, and please remember to get insurance, because I can't be responsible for anything damaged or lost in the mail.